Hey there, video editing enthusiasts! Building a PC specifically for video editing is an investment in your craft. It's about creating a smooth, efficient workflow for those demanding projects. Choosing the right components is key to unleashing the full potential of your editing software. Let's dive into the components that will transform your editing experience. The CPU, or processor, is the brain of your editing rig. For video editing, you need a multi-core beast that can handle heavy rendering and multitasking. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X and Intel Core i9 13900K are top contenders. These CPUs offer exceptional core counts and clock speeds, ensuring smooth performance even with complex video projects. The GPU, or graphics card, is your visual workhorse. It renders effects, previews, and final exports. For video editing, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 or 4090 cards are top-tier choices. Their CUDA cores and optimized software support significantly accelerate rendering times. If you're on Team Red, the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX is a powerful alternative. Section 4. Keeping pace. RAM and storage. RAM is your computer's short-term memory, crucial for smooth multitasking and handling large video files. For 4K editing, 32 GB of DDR5. RAM is a good starting point, but 64 GB is ideal for a smoother workflow. When it comes to storage, NVMe SSDs are the way to go. A 1TB NVMe SSD for your OS and software ensures lightning-fast boot times and application launches. Section 5. The unsung heroes: motherboard, PSU, and cooling. The motherboard is the foundation of your build, connecting all components. Choose a motherboard compatible with your CPU and offering features like DDR5 RAM support and multiple M.2 slots. A reliable power supply unit, or PSU, is crucial for stable power delivery. Opt for an 850 to 1000 watt 80+ gold or platinum PSU to handle the demands of a high-performance system. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of cooling.